Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, in one of the video I have given you the MCQ of the chapter and I told you that in the next video I will give you the answers of this, but I didn't give in the next video to just see the interest of yours in the subject, and I'm getting it that none of you is bothered about the particular MCQ based of the chapter. Dear student, do not take it lightly. Exams are going to be held. So do not take it lightly and you have to work for it. It's my duty to give the answers, so I am providing the answers of the MCQ in this particular video. Let me tell you, the syllabus is also changed. So please get updated with the changed, revised syllabus of your class 12th. And also start with your preparation because exams will be there. So dear students, I'm providing you the notes also in my particular videos and explanation also, but it shows very less interest of yours in the subject. Today we are going to have the preparations of the aldehydes and ketones continuation from the hydrocarbon, that is number 1, Itard reaction. Toluene when treated with the chromyl chloride is going to give you the chromium complex intermediate, which is further under treatment with acid gives you benzaldehyde. The second reaction, instead of the chromyl chloride, we are using chromic oxide and acetic anhydride, which again gives you the intermediate, which is on further treatment with the acid, and heating it will lead you to the benzaldehyde. So these are the two reactions which are known as Itard reaction. The number 1 reaction is Itard reaction. You can use chromyl chloride, you can also use chromic oxide. So these are the particular reagent which you have to remember. And remember the intermediate which is given over here, and finally you are arriving with the benzene, that is benzene along with the benzaldehyde group, aldehyde group. So you are getting the benzaldehyde with such a kind of the preparation. Side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. So we are taking toluene again. Toluene ka chlorination karna hai, and okay, you are going to have HCl as a byproduct, and your methyl group will be chlorinated. In the second step, the water hydrolysis is going to give you the benzaldehyde. Letterman-Koch reaction, very simple. Benzene, carbon monoxide HCl, anhydrous, aluminum chloride and CuCl. That's going to give you benzaldehyde. Dear students, these are all the notes I am providing you. Those are very important one, and please start writing. Do not take it very lightly. Each and every chapter, each and every topic is very important. Once you complete it, you will come to know that it is very important and how you have to do it. So please do not take it lightly. Okay, for ketones, from acyl chloride. Now dear student, acyl chloride, that is RCOCl. But before that we have to go for making your alkyl cadmium. Alkyl cadmium कैसे बनाएंगे? RMgX plus CdCl2, that is cadmium chloride, will lead you to the alkyl cadmium. And you know the Grignard reagent is used over here. So in the second step, acyl chloride with alkyl cadmium is going to give you the ketone. So reaction is very simply given it over here. I have shown you the preparation also. There are certain things which are not given in your textbook. I am including that things also, dear students, so that you can understand the things properly. Okay, the next we are going to do it with particular nitrile. So very separately also I have given you preparation of aldehydes and preparation of the ketones. Okay, from nitriles, dear student. So we have to take this nitrile, that is C triple bond N, and along with RMgX. R क्या है यहाँ पे आपका benzene ring, and MgX, Mg as it is, and X is your Br. In the presence of the ether, what will happen? One bond will be break. एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा और आपका R जैसे कि C6H5 लग गया कार्बन के साथ, and double bond N MgBr. Further on, treatment with the acid is going to give you 1-phenyl propanone. This is a preparation. Okay, from benzene again. This is a preparation that is called your Friedel-Crafts and which is used for both. So यहाँ पे benzene use करना है और आपको use करना है either aryl or alkyl group, and C double bond OCl. Anhydrous aluminum chloride will be leading you with either as you want it with the ketone or else you want it with the particular benzaldehyde. So sorry, this will be particularly only for your ketones, but let me tell you, यू कैन गो फॉर इंट्रोडक्शन एट द प्लेस ऑफ अल्काइल ग्रुप भी ले सकते हैं और यहाँ पर आप बेंजीन रिंग भी ले सकते हैं. सो यू कैन गो फॉर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ बोथ. सो दिस प्रिपरेशन इज गिवन टू यू फ्रॉम दी बेंजीन. तो कभी कभी एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द कीटोन्स और यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द benzaldehyde from the benzene. So all the preparations are given and please kindly prepare it off. Maybe as soon as the school reopens, we'll be conducting the test so that you can identify that how much you have grabbed the knowledge from the given videos. And dear student, the notes are very simple. Rather than getting confused with your any reference book or as with your textbook, the reactions which I am providing you in my videos are very simple, so you can copy it off, and still if you go for having any doubts you can ask in the comment section. Okay, dear student, the preparation from the nitriles and from the benzene is important one, and you can note down in your classwork book also. Fine. Next, physical properties. Dear student, methanol, the first member, is gas at the room temperature. इथेनॉल इज अ वॉलेटाइल लिक्विड. डियर स्टूडेंट, आप समझ सकते हैं कि जितनी कार्बन की चेन छोटी है उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज हो रही है. पहला मेंबर गैस है रूम टेम्परेचर पे, दूसरा है लिक्विड. जैसे जैसे कार्बन की चेन बढ़ती जाएगी वैसे वैसे क्या होगा, दे विल बी बिकमिंग एज ए सॉलिड. अदर एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन, CHO और CO जो लिखा है वो एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन है, आर लिक्विड और सॉलिड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन आर हायर देन द हाइड्रोकार्बन and the ethers of the comparable molar masses because of the weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones जल्दी क्या करते हैं, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नहीं बनाते हैं. So because of the less capacity they are having the boiling point, they are having the difference in the boiling point. Okay, boiling point आर लोअर देन द अल्कोहल्स. अल्कोहल्स के कंपैरिजन में ही कम बनाएंगे, बट अगर हम ईथर्स की बात करें, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की बात करें तो वो ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपके पास कार्बन भी है और ऑक्सीजन भी है विच कैन डेवलप द पोलैरिटी. अगर अल्कोहल के साथ कंपेयर किया तो अल्कोहल में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग ज़्यादा होता है. सो अल्कोहल का जो है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज़्यादा होगा कंपेयर टू योर aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Lower members of the aldehyde and ketones are miscible in all the proportion and they form the particular compound which we can say they form the hydrogen bond with the water. तो जितने भी लोअर मॉलिक्यूलर मासेस है दे आर एबल टू मिक्सेबल इन ऑल द प्रपोर्शन. आप कितने भी प्रपोर्शन, नो रेशियो इज वरीड अबाउट ओवर हियर, यू कैन मिक्स इट ऑफ बिकॉज दे आर एबल टू फॉर्म द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. हायर मेंबर डिक्रीजेस द सॉल्युबिलिटी ड्यू टू अल्काइल चेन. जितनी कार्बन की चेन बढ़ती जाएगी उतना सॉल्युबिलिटी कम होता जाएगा. दे आर सॉल्युबल इन ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट लाइक बेंजीन. दे आर एबल टू बी इन बेंजीन, दे आर सॉल्युबल इन द बेंजीन. ओके, पोलर dissolves in polar, that is what you have to remember. लोअर aldehydes have the sharp pungent odor. बहुत ही टिपिकल सी स्मेल होती है लोअर मेंबर्स की, but as the size increases the odor becomes less pungent and more fragrant. जैसे जैसे साइज बढ़ती जाएगी it will be less pungent, गंदी स्मेल कम होती जाएगी और more good smell will be there, pleasant smell will be there. In fact this are used in the perfumes and the flavoring agent. यहाँ पे aldehydes की मेन स्पेशलिटी ही ये है कि वो बहुत ही अच्छी सी स्मेल देते हैं. तो ये कब पॉसिबल है, जब आप हायर मेंबर्स लेते हैं तब. लोअर मेंबर्स आर हैविंग द पंजेंट स्मेल. डियर स्टूडेंट, वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट बिफोर द वीडियो गेट्स ओवर. Please try to take the interest in all the chapters which are now there in your syllabus and try to write down the notes and start preparation of the chapters before it is too late for you.